And breaking news related to the trial for child jabs. In fact, a hospital in Mumbai, Nair Hospital, is struggling to get child volunteers. In fact, hospital needs 920 child volunteers and is only able to get 40. In fact, only 5% children enrolled for clinical trial in the last 2 months. So big news coming in from the city of Mumbai, where Covovax trial hits a hurdle as the hospital actually is struggling to get child volunteers. In fact, this is a Mumbai Civic Hospital that we are talking about, and which is right now struggling to get volunteers for the jabs for children. In fact, Disha Shah, correspondent, is with us to give more details on this. Disha, good morning. Any specific reason as to why this particular hospital is struggling to get child volunteers?
Good morning, Gauri, to you and our viewers here on Mirror Now. So let's remember, Gauri, that this is the only age group, 2 to 17 years of age, which haven't received vaccine yet. So in mid of October this year, when the BMC, that's Mumbai Civic Body, gave a nod to its Civicron Hospital, Nair, to actually start clinical trials of Covovax, which is a child vaccine developed. Since the last 2 months, what we understand that only about 40 child volunteers have really enrolled for the clinical trial, which essentially means that the requirement is of 920 such pediatric volunteers. But at the end of the day, in the last 2 months, only about 5% of the children have been able to enroll, and this is in a way delaying the entire clinical trials, which was the major reason. What the hospital authorities have shared with us is the fact that how parents are not really okay. Parents are very reluctant to send their children for the clinical trial owing to various reasons. Of course, COVID fear, the new variant obviously right now, and that is why the struggle hospital authorities say is real at this point in time, because if at all, if they cannot meet the 920 child volunteers target, then they won't be able to actually start the clinical trial. And it's very important for the clinical trials to begin, Gauri, because remember, right now we are talking about the trial which helps in gathering evidence and which also helps in letting the government know that how successful the clinical trials are, and if that becomes successful, then the children between 2 to 17 can actually go ahead and start getting the jabs. So as we speak, the hospital authorities have no clue as to by when they'll actually start the clinical trials, but this is a major struggle and hurdle that the authorities are facing at this moment.
Right, Disha, thank you for sharing all those details.